India, boasting the world's fourth largest railway network, is undergoing a profound transformation. Modern passenger trains, eco-innovations like hydrogen propulsion, sprawling freight corridors, and infrastructure upgrades are collectively repositioning railways as the backbone of the nation's economic and environmental future. Vande Bharat Express, the passenger train revolution, the flag-bearer of speed and comfort. Since its 2019 debut, the Vande Bharat Express has become emblematic of India's semi-high-speed ambitions, touching speeds of 160 km per hour. Its chair-car variant excels on high-traffic intercity routes, while the sleeper version, with ergonomic berths, automatic doors, and rapid acceleration, offers comfort that rivals Rajdhani services. The government's approval of 200 new Vande Bharat trains, including extended 20-coach formations, will significantly scale capacity and accessibility. Amrit Bharat, the inclusive workhorse. Marrying modern amenities with inclusivity, the Amrit Bharat Express operates in a push-pull format, featuring locomotive units at both ends for swift turnaround. With 22 coaches combining sleeper and unreserved classes and equipped with CCTV, charging ports, and improved interiors, it offers accessible modernization. The 2025-26 expansion includes 100 additional sets, widening its reach to millions of long-distance travelers. Namo Bharat Regional Rapid Transit. India's first RRTS, Regional Rapid Transit System, Namo Bharat, currently serves the Delhi-Meerut corridor. Built by Alstom, under Make in India, these high-performance units operate at 160 to 180 km per hour, powered by advanced ETCS to signaling and LTE-based ATO systems. With 50 more train sets approved, Namo Bharat is poised to deliver metro-level speed to suburban and regional corridors. The bullet train vision defining high-speed India. At the pinnacle of high-speed ambitions, the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail, based on Japanese Shinkansen technology, will clock speeds of 320 km per hour, trimming travel time to under 3 hours. India is also developing indigenous high-speed train sets capable of 280 km per hour, built locally at substantially lower cost. Approved corridors like Delhi-Kolkata underline the intent to elevate long-distance rail to world-class standards. Green innovation, hydrogen trains and sustainability driving change. India is staking its claim in green rail travel. The country's first hydrogen-powered train, developed at ICF Chennai, is set for deployment on the Jind-Sonipat route. Equipped with a 1,200 HP engine, it stands as the most powerful of its kind globally. The project includes 35 such trains under the Hydrogen for Heritage initiative, targeting heritage and hilly routes, with costs per train and infrastructure estimated at 80 crore rupees and 70 crore rupees respectively. Trials and load tests have been successfully conducted. Green hydrogen is explicitly being prioritized by policymakers to reduce fuel costs and carbon emissions across transport sectors. Dedicated Freight Corridors, DFC. Freight and passenger traffic have long competed for rail space. Now, India's eastern DFC, Ludhiana-Dankuni, 1,839 km, is fully operational, and the western DFC, Dadri-JNPT, 1,506 km, is nearing completion, both corridors electrified, supporting double-stacked containers and reducing transit congestion. These segregated tracks bolster freight efficiency, freeing up passenger lines for faster services. Proposed mega corridors such as the East-West DFC, Dankuni-Palghar, 2,000 km, and East Coast DFC, Kharagpur-Vijayawada, 1,100 km, will integrate with multimodal logistics parks, streamlining flows of coal, minerals, steel, and more. Projects like the 100-acre multimodal logistics parks near Varanasi, linked via rail and inland waterways, exemplify this seamless cargo transfer model. Freight growth indicators highlighting its growing momentum, Indian Railways posted an 8.5% rise in freight loading between April and August 2025, even amid heavy seasonal rains. The South Western Railway Zone registered record-breaking earnings in August, 418 crore rupees from freight alone, with a 26% increase in load, underlining strong industry uptake. The government's 2025-26 budget, with an allocation of 2.5 lakh rupees crore, signals a decisive push toward railway modernization. The focus spans high-speed passenger services, freight infrastructure, and green innovations, ensuring that India's railways are not just keeping pace with the future but actively shaping it. This transformation is sweeping in both scale and depth. Passenger services, from Vande Bharat to hydrogen trains, are being reimagined for speed, safety, inclusivity, and environmental responsibility. Freight logistics, meanwhile, is undergoing a structural redesign through dedicated corridors, multimodal integration, and close alignment with industrial growth. Together, these developments underscore that India's railways are no longer merely a legacy system. They are evolving into a 21st century transport powerhouse, powering mobility, commerce, and sustainable growth across the nation.